217 Grand update video. We're moving along. I got the heater ordered. It should be, your new heater should be in here by this weekend. Oh, this is getting done. We also have the epoxy guy. There's your dishwasher. There's epoxy guys coming out, I think tomorrow or Friday. This is Wednesday. So let's go down here. So this is getting replaced. Right here, this is an old heater, so we're gonna put a brand new one in so we don't have any issues. So you have a brand new heater. The air's working fantastic in here. And here's a panel. That's a brand new panel, or almost brand new. We didn't put it in, but not very old. Let's look at the bathroom down here because they got it rolling. So we're getting this done. This is all getting dry lock, all the sheetrock's up. This is your gas, but let's look at, there's your toilet's gonna go there. You see how the shower's gonna look now. It really is cool. So we're getting all the plumbing in, the electrical for the new bathroom. Here's that, all that. There's your plumbing, that's where your vanity goes. All the stuff's here to get done. In here, so there's some more flooring. Let's go upstairs. All the cabinets are off and they've been painted. The dishwasher's outside is going here. And everything's been painted and done, and they're moving along. All the luxury vinyl's been put in. So all this is done. Here's all this. Stuff will last 10 years. And here's the new toilet for the bathroom downstairs. There's a new vanity, and there's another new toilet we're putting in the we're putting 2 new toilets in here for both bathrooms. We put in these LED lights, which we really like. It really brightens it up. I'm going to put a new thermostat in here too. See the threshold here. And all this is getting epoxied, so this will look good. This is your new vanity. There's your sink, so that's all getting done. And that. Here's another bedroom. It's all, this is your closet there. Here's all this. So you're going to be putting all new blinds in today and tomorrow. It's really looking good. And then it has this big upstairs. You can see all this is pretty much done. All the flooring, paint, they gotta put some doors in, some other stuff. But nice big bedroom. They do these in these colonials here. So basically you can put your bed here. You can do an office or sitting room. Then you have a nice walk-in closet there. We're going to put some poles there and stuff to hang clothes. Got shelves. There's just a lot of room in this house. Awesome Bedford area, vinyl windows. Nice area. And it will be a great property to own and rent. So again, this is Brett, Key Realty. If you have any questions, 216-703-5740. Check out my websites below. Thanks, and have a good day.